I don't want to be sold to. I just want to know if my pension's performing well or not. That's an email I got. And I said to the person, it's really simple. We don't sell to anyone for two reasons. First of all, we've got 99% free material. So ignore the 1% for the clients who basically want a glorified plumber to give them the data and handhold them. 99% of people just want the free material. That's great. And the second reason is it's like a Porsche. If it doesn't sell itself, we're not going to do the selling for it. Okay. So where do you go if you want all the free material? So this is what I said to him. I said, look, just go to our campaignforamillion.com/tools. You want to know if your pension's doing enough. This individual in particular happened to be 49. They planned to retire at 60. They had so far $1 million and they were generating at about what did they tell me? 9% per annum. And they felt that it was okay, but given the current market, they could have done better. And I said, look, play around with this, have a look, and it'll tell you. And then you can work out whether inflation adjusted, you're okay with that in that time frame. I explained what we try and achieve for clients. Of course, there's no guarantee. We don't manage their money. We're not brokers for them. I said, look, you can also work it out back to front. You could say, well, wait a minute, I want to withdraw a certain amount. Okay. And you've got volatilities, monthly contributions, number of years, life expectancy. You play around with all of those numbers and you can soon get to something which will allow you to work it out for yourself. And all these tools are completely free. You might work it out the lifestyle way. So here's another calculator, same page. Okay. And this one works out well based on your age and retirement and life expectancy and starting amount. How much might you have, and can you meet the kind of lifestyle which government statistics say you should have, whether you're in the UK or the US, for a comfortable retirement. So first of all, the questions were, how do I know I've got enough? What happens, essentially what's implied in that is, how much do you think I'll need? How long will it last? How much can I withdraw safely? And these are all the questions which are answered by these tools, because it's actually simple questions, but the maths gets a little bit messy and complicated. And especially when there's probabilities assigned, because there's no guarantees of certain growth rates. So the bottom line lessons that comes from it, when people say, oh, I want to know, is it the 4% rule or not? Well, the 4% rule of withdrawing from your pension 4% per annum is a really bad rule if the market has a down year, because if it has a down year and you're taking 4% out, you've permanently locked in that loss. So what we often say is it's actually better to have some money set aside so that if there's one or two down years, you've already got the money set aside for that out of the market. And there are other little ways of playing around with it. In fact, because these tools are free, you could just play around with all sorts of different scenarios. And you could say to yourself, well, actually, if for the next 5 years we get a higher growth amount that we're targeting with a certain volatility, what's the worst case? What if we want to withdraw more later? And you could break it into little 5-year tranches. Like I said, because the tools are completely free and you don't have to have calls with anybody about anything, you can take your time playing around with those tools. And the benefit of all of that and having all those free tools, therefore, is, first of all, you don't need to speak to anybody. So there's not going to be anybody ever selling you anything ever. Okay. The reason we say do a free call with us if you'd like a review is because some people like it explained over the phone. If you don't like it explained over the phone, and you don't want to ask questions back and forth, that's perfectly fine. You've got all these tools over here. And it's not just the tools that are free. Actually, there's a ton of free resources. And guess what? It's there. Tools and calculators, latest webinar, blogs, articles, TEDx talks on investing by me, key articles on how to fix your pension. There's no sales pitch in any of this because we don't need to. It's a Porsche car. Either sells itself or it doesn't. Doesn't need salesmen for it. All the salesperson does, when you have a call, is explain how investing should work, what it should look like. Okay? And if your feet don't touch the pedals, that's fine. That becomes self-evident. So feel free to have a look at all of that on my campaign for $1 million to teach for free people, 1 million people around the world, how to better improve their performance. By the way, if you want to know, because it is the thing now, how we've been using AI in all of this, then we explain it. Low frequency investing. We're not about high frequency trading. We're about low frequency investing. So everything's explained over there on how we do that. If you want to know a bit more about all the things that I've mentioned, in particular how I've used the education that I got from university to build this out, and what I lectured on at Oxford and how I used it to build all this out. It's all on that page as well, and it explains you. And there you go, not a marketing line, it's more a teaching post. Okay, so if you want to learn more completely for free, www.investing-champions.com or campaignforamillion.com. Too many resources? Yeah, we give too much away. There's just too much in terms of resources that are in there. But hopefully you'll find it all helpful. Like I said, there is no sales pitch, because when 99% of things are free and then at 1% sells itself, you don't need any sales pitch for anything. Thanks. By the way, here's a sales pitch though, for free. Download a free copy of one of my 18 books, completely for free. Okay? All good wishes.